Stocks are plummeting in Taiwan's financial markets following a shaky week in Wall Street amid geopolitical tensions and waning confidence in AI. Reece Ayers is live for us at the Taiwan Stock Exchange with more on the recent market fluctuations. Reece, what's driving this crash?
Oh, well, Eric, here in Taipei, the markets just closed about 30 minutes ago. You can see a lot of green behind me, which might look good, but actually green in Taiwan means down and red means up. So a bad day for investors. Taiwan's actually seeing a record loss today, over 1,800 points. That's almost at the 10% daily limit of the stop limit, with Foxconn and TSMC, two of Taiwan's biggest companies, both in the tech sphere, actually hitting that 10% daily limit. It's been a rough week in Taiwan and abroad as investors are in panic mode, selling off stocks across markets. And Taiwan's stock exchange, or TAIEX, is particularly sensitive to movements in the tech sphere and to how the US market performs. If we take a look at the last couple of months in Taiwan, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. So here at the beginning of August, we've seen this recent massive drop-off due to fears about the AI industry. A bit more on that in a moment. But earlier in June, there was actually the opposite, as there was more confidence in tech and AI, a lot more foreign investment coming into Taiwan. It hosted Computex, which was a computer expo. There was a slight drop-off later on as Joe Biden exits the presidential race, but then it spikes again as Taiwan's TSMC, who produces chips, semiconductors, reports its earnings and its stock prices go up. Another drop later on in July as Typhoon Kami hits Taiwan, and now this massive drop-off over fears in the AI industry. Now, that's one of the big reasons why we're seeing this crash, not just in Taiwan, but across the world. There's falling confidence in tech, particularly as people begin to question the profitability of AI. And the US tech prices are falling, and that has a direct impact on the Taiwanese market as the producer of most of the world's most powerful semiconductors or chips. So less faith in tech and AI means maybe less demand for Taiwanese tech. And when tech prices fall, the entire Taiwanese stock market feels the effects. Now, there's also global instability with increasing tensions in the Middle East and ongoing conflict in Ukraine. We've got political instability. We've got uncertainty over the US elections coming up in November. All of these contributing to a shaky global market. Now, Taiwan's market saw the steepest fall off in Asia, but other markets in the continent also feeling the effects, including in Japan and in India. Though as Asia's best performing market so far this year, there are hopes that the Taiwanese market could stabilize relatively quickly. Though now with the US market opening later on today, that could dictate global markets in the coming weeks.